like real 20 niggas here working for real. It ain't niggas. Ask them to pick up for gonna break to y'all. So it ain't really many out there working on farms. We ain't definitely no damn go field. And if you work at tobacco, you buy because them plants are toxic and poisonous, and you can't touch it with your hands because it seep in your skin and you're gonna get sick. And we all know you catch cancer working the tobacco field. We all know this shit. If you didn't know, you just learned something new. So if majority of the people was foreigners working the farms in America, who gonna be working on bitches now besides the machines? Okay, yeah, you got tractors and shit like that, but you still need people out there to work that shit, work them big ass people, work, help the shit. Got a picture, you know. These people ain't jobs, you know. The sales of shit is gonna go. Means the price of food and them things are gonna go up. I got a business mindset, so I look on the brighter side and the bigger picture of, and I just don't understand. Like, if them people was already here, why you can't just let them be here? But they're working jobs that will be talking that job ass don't want to work. It the whole jobs you won't work. Fuckers gonna go work. I respect them ass work. Another ass bitch like that's I agree. I think we'll be able to reunite on that tip because when it start being your own people, now you want somebody to ride and rebel for your ass. You gotta look at the bigger picture of shit, and these people don't do that. So I be doing landscaping, and we have to pick up trash and sometimes fill up the dump truck. When the truck is, and I just noticed damn, this landfill is more packed full of mass traffic. They keep cutting more trees down to make more trees. But everywhere you look in Florida, if you pay attention, they keep cutting down forest, wooded area to build suburbs. We doing this at a mass rate, but if you pay attention, they doing this shit worldwide at a mass rate. They'll just keep cutting down trees to put business in space. Y'all know the air is getting more polluted by day. It's not gonna be long till a lot of these people finna have air problem. I mean breathing problems. Breathing the air. Cause not the tree filter the air. These people cutting down trees in the rainforest. Y'all wait the fuck up to what the fuck is really going on. It's bad when the world is cutting down trees and rainforests. They got technology. We can go through the rainforest now. bro. Like, I don't know what the fuck the world is. Destroyed the world, but where's that? How can I this bitch? How can I feel to and tear down so I can create just reality the same. But these are things I just be thinking about. I be thinking about some up, but I think about the people me don't think about, and this is why they can never be in them shoes because they don't think outside the box. You gotta think how scientists think. You gotta think outside the box. Like, let your imagination run wild, but that imagination is reality. I'm gonna let that sink. I'm gonna let that simmer and cook it. Y'all tell me what